Imagine your child is sick with an incurable disease. And imagine that I have the cure for this disease, but it costs $5,900 a month. Now, imagine that I consider that that's really expensive, or I worry that you won't like it if I offer it to you, like I'm gonna rub you the wrong way by offering it, or I think it's embarrassing if I sell it, and so I hide that cure from you. I'm not selling it to you because I have my own concerns. I think it's expensive. I think you won't like that I'm selling you. I keep it to myself. I don't tell you about the cure. What would you think I've done? Okay, what is it? What am I actually doing? I have the answer to an incurable disease that your child has, and I don't offer it to you. Yeah? I lost the sale. Where's the income? Yeah. No, your job is to supply people that need what you have to offer. You need to help them. If you're just selling them something that they don't need, you will make the target this week or this year or this month, but you will secretly know that you've done something that's not okay and made them spend money that's not right, and you will destroy yourself, and before you know it, you'll say sales is not good, and you won't exactly know why. You'll hate it, you'll stop, you'll cut your own power. Because imagine that I'm powerful, very powerful, and everything I do, I make people do what I want, but I make them do terrible things, and they follow me like that. But I see they're doing horrible things. I make people, by my influence, I make them cheat on their husbands. I make people steal from their co-founders. I make people spend money on things that they don't need because I'm powerful. Before long, I'll kill myself, mentally and physically. So you only sell what the person needs, and if not, you're cheating. Now, if you go around with that viewpoint, by the way, you'll see you'll make the highest targets ever. Ever. You'll beat every target ever when you start to say, I have a policy. I don't sell something the person doesn't need. That's my way. And if I miss a target, I miss the target. But if you go like that, and I'm gonna find only what people need, and if I find that they need it and they don't want to spend the money, but they need it, I will sell the life out of them. I will make them pay me because they need it. That's fine. Now you'll make the craziest targets ever. You'll unleash yourself, seriously.